Lowe's, and we're taking Zoe with us. She can't get up. Come on, Zoe. I'm gonna have to push her in, like always. Every time. Go. Ow. We like to come to Lowe's to buy these build and grow sets. The car, castle, a coin bank for your pennies.
Welcome. Please scan your My Lowe's card or scan your code near the end.
So what do we got today here?
These build and grow kits that we got at Lowe's. We love to get them because, like, I don't know, it's good for your brain so you can build stuff. So,
What'd you get, Faith? What you got?
I got coin bank.
A coin bank? What are you gonna put in there?
My coins.
Coins?
Like quarters, dimes, nickels, and
Cool.
pennies. Make sure you have your instructions not ripped because sometimes when people try to open this, they rip the instructions. I ripped it a little bit right here. Isn't that bad? So yeah, let's get started. So for me first, I need to get this piece right here and then that piece. So this is right there. Then you just gotta nail it in. Hey, mine. Okay, I think I need to get these, this and this, right? I'm really good at building, so maybe I'll just probably finish it fast. He built a car. Yeah, I built a car last time, and then I finished it like fast. Where's the other? I don't. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna nail them. Okay, guys, be careful because you might hit your thumb or fingers, any kind of finger. So make sure you have like a parent supervising you before you do this. There.
Close up of that? Oh, nice. All right.
Okay, now I need to. This is my last piece.
Let's see.
Go.
All right.
Put the coins. Quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. Remember the wings in. Not really that much quarters.
So this one was a little tougher, huh, Isaac? Gotta get something to hold it down there.
Wait. Putting on the stickers on the airplane so I can look pull out. Yeah, I'm done.
Let me see.
So on the other side.
So who are those people?
Monsters. Well, they're monsters, and then on the other side they're people. So yesterday I built this castle.
All right.
And today I built this pig bank.
Cool.
And then this I built today. And this is really cool. I built this yesterday, and then look, it can drive by itself. If you just pull it back.
Whoa.
So today
Well, which one was your favorite one? Which one are you gonna want, Faith, to build next time?
I'm gonna build a boat.
A boat?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I wanna build.
Which one was the hardest one to build? Which one do you think was the hardest one?
This one.
This one, the castle?
Yeah. For me, it was this one, because this one took me like 2 seconds.
Yeah, because this one your wheel broke on the plane, huh? We had to glue it.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell for all new videos.